The copy machine in the student center is jammed again.
Do you happen to know the Wi-Fi password for the guest network?
I'm not sure I can make it to the review session tonight. Isn't Professor Reyes on sabbatical this semester?
How far is the nearest pharmacy from campus? Could you let the TA know I'll be late to lab?
I just realized I left my wallet in the lecture hall. Have they posted the final exam schedule yet?